Okay, I think I solved a little issue I was running into. So when I originally had this on here, I had it screwed in. I thought it would be good because it gives some integrity to the bumper right here, and it was ripped in one spot a little bit. So, but I couldn't shut the door wouldn't shut to lock. It felt like it shut, and I couldn't pull it up, but it wasn't enough for the vehicle to be happy, so it would not lock. So I took all the screws out and set it aside. It was getting late anyways. So this time I just thought I'll set it there, see if I can shut it and lock it before I do anything. Maybe I could just glue them on. Maybe the screw heads are just too much. And I noticed it was bent after I did it, and it did lock, but I noticed it was bent. So then I looked up here, and well, no wonder. That's why it wouldn't shut, because I had blocked the hole. That's why there was a hole there. And then on the other side, well, it turns out it's missing, so it's not even there. So maybe I can glue on one of those little pads here. It's not critical, but it might help. You know, you don't want it vibrating, you want it snug. But this one I want to leave the way it is. I don't want to do anything with that. So I decided I'm going to cut a hole whatever size I need. And I'm hoping this is enough. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, put it on, and see if that works. And if it doesn't, I'll maybe cut it a little bit bigger. This side I didn't really need to, but I want them to match. And plus, if I find that or something, I can put it back on. But I don't think I'm going to find it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and we'll see if we get it and we can lock it.